Welcome to English class, my dear students. I am A.K.M. Abdul Mutin. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I want to take your English second paper class. Of course, I am requesting the students of Dhumketu, Niharika, Galaxy and Ulka. At first, you want to set some rules, as it is a very first meeting with you. This is the rules for classwork and homework. Keep in mind, copy necessary points from the lecture in your notebook as classwork. It is everyday task. If I give any task that must be completed as homework, both classwork and homework should be written in your notebook. You must show to your subject teacher all the classwork done, all the homework done when the class will be opened. Look at SSC syllabus. As I am taking your English second paper, grammar part, question number 1 to 11. Writing part, of course, it has civil writing, formal letters, paragraph and composition writing. Today, we want to work on writing part. Today's topic, formal letter. Formal letter is a kind of application to the principal, to the concerned authority, like the chairman, like the mayor, like the district commissioner. So at the end of the lesson, you will be able to write formal letter, and it is very effective. A formal letter is a persuasive type writing. So look at the model of application that is called formal letter. Of course, you mark in your notebook when you start writing 13 May 2020. Look at this. Look at this 13 May. After there is no comma. After 2020, no full stop. Actually, we are following UK format. DD stands for day. MM stands for month. And of course, YY for year. Then one line space. The principal. Here might be the headmaster as well. Udayan Uccha Madhyamik Vidyalaya. But look at the question paper, it might be different. University of Dhaka, Dhaka postal code 1000 dot. If you see it is Chittagong, Chattogram, then you can say different. Rajshahi, it can be different. So look at the postal code in the question paper. Then again give one line space. Subject, that is very important. Never forget to write a subject line. That is very effective and important. Application for arranging a function on Independence Day in the school auditorium. Then again, one line space. Dear sir. Many students, they try to write only sir. No. My students, I am requesting you, please write dear sir. Then you start we, as it is a collective form of application, because arranging a function, it is not for a very personal matter. So we, comma, the students of class 10 of your institutions, again, comma, this is called apposition, would like to inform you that you want to arrange a function on Independence Day in our school auditorium. Here, look at this, would like to inform. Never write big, most respectfully. Never write big to state. No, humble, nothing. Would is very polite way of addressing someone else, especially in formal letter. Then this is the main body. In the function, you want to stage a drama named Shangshaptok of Shahidullah Kaisa. It is a drama which is based on our liberation war of 1971. The students of our school will play different roles. That's why we have decided that we would not invite any guest actors. Besides, we desire to perform some cultural activities which will remind us the valiant struggles of our martyrs who sacrificed their invaluable life for our motherland. In this way, in the middle part, you try to persuade the principal, the headmaster, the mayor, the concerned authority you are writing to. Try to convince them, showing some kind of persuasions. That is very important part. Keep in mind, the language must be up to the mark. No faulty language should be accepted here. No contraction form, that is short form, should not be taken accepted in a formal letter like application. Then again, you write one line space. Under the circumstances stated above, comma, we hope that you would be kind enough to grant your permission and oblige thereby. Full stop. And again, look at this one line again space. Yours. Many people put apostrophe here. No more apostrophe here. No more apostrophe here. No more apostrophe here. Faithfully give comma. The students of class 10. Because we started by we, the students of class 10. Keep in mind, many students started by we. Suddenly they have written, it is Bhaskar Sravan, it is Rabib, it is Ogni, it is right, Samar Shapkat Kobir. No, you do not write personal name here. When it is personal, then you write your personal thing. Maybe your pre-studentship, poor fund, maybe any other activity, which is related, fine, testimonial, then you may write your own name because it is personal. But morning school, it is you want to stage a drama, that is different. You want to go on study tour, it is collective. So some students might mistake here. Try to keep in mind this important thing. When it is personal, use I. When it is a collective, use we or I on behalf of the students. In both cases, it is accepted. However, this is a model. We started from the date, and then everything is here. I have shown already a model. You try to follow this model when I give you a homework or classwork. And if sometimes I am really speedy because we have some time constraints because the video cannot limit 15 minutes. So what you need to do, give pause when you try to see the screen, try to see the screen clearly, then give pause, write and copy in your notebook as a classwork. And then important part, that is practice. Do as homework because I am absent. I'm not in classwork. If I am in the class, of course I must give it as a classwork at first. I look at the question. Suppose you are Alif Alifa, comma, reading in class 10 in Pabna Pilot High School, Pabna 6600 dot. Since the whole world is facing COVID-19 as pandemic, the regular classes of the students are hampering a lot. Now write an application to the headmaster of your school to arrange online class in your school. That is your homework. Here I am giving you one clue. Add mainly, you try to focus on advantages. But if you see any disadvantages, also add, no problem. But look at this, red zone, facing COVID-19 as pandemic. And when you write to the headmaster, and look at this, another regular classes, hampering a lot. These are the keywords. When you try to write to the principal headmaster, persuade him or her so that he can accept your application, accept your proposal. Yes, it is okay. Language should be up to the mark. Follow the format given earlier. You want to close today? Or you want to wrap up today? Look at another important thing. Alif and Alipa. But you are not writing you. That Shapkat is not writing. Bhaskar is not writing. Rabib is not writing. Right? Mandira is not writing. Ogni is not writing. Roktim is not writing. It is writing alif. It is writing alifa. So some people say X school, Y school. No. In question, it is given the name Pabna Pilot High School. So you are following the question instruction. Alright? Okay? If you have any question, of course, when the class will be open, I must answer, inshallah. And again, I am giving you a reminder. After completion of your homework, of course, the students of my dear Dhumkiti students, please submit to me. The students of Ulka and of course Niharika and also Galaxy submit to Nasis sir. And of course resumes. They will of course check it and give you feedback. And I must give feedback to my dear students of Dhumketu. Thank you very much today. Stay home and be safe. Allah Hafiz.